everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to boost your online presence and drive more traffic to your website, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of SEO services in India, exploring what makes an SEO company stand out and how they can help your business thrive. So let's get started. First things first, let's break down what search engine optimization actually is. SEO or search engine optimization is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine result pages like Google. It involves various strategies and techniques designed to improve your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. Think of it as making your website more appealing to both search engines as well as users. Now the question is, why choose an SEO service company in India? You might be wondering why India is a popular destination for SEO services. Well, India is home to a vast number of talented digital marketers as well as SEO professionals. The country offers high quality services at competitive prices, making it an attractive option for businesses worldwide. From small startups to large enterprises, Indian SEO companies cater to various needs and budgets. Benefits of partnering with an Indian SEO company. Partnering with an SEO company in India comes with several benefits. First one being cost effectiveness. Get high quality services at a fraction of the cost compared to other regions and countries. Second one being access to skilled professionals. You can benefit from a pool of experienced and skilled SEO experts. Third is scalability. You can easily scale your SEO efforts as your business grows. Then comes 24/7 support. Most of the Indian SEO companies offer round-the-clock support. Now another question is SEO service in India cost effective or not? SEO services in India are generally cost effective compared to those in Western countries. Indian companies offer high quality SEO at lower prices due to lower operational costs. This affordability allows businesses to access skilled professionals and advanced strategies without overspending. Despite the lower cost, many Indian SEO firms provide comprehensive and effective services, making it a viable option for businesses seeking quality SEO solutions on a budget. Now let's talk about the various services that SEO companies in India offer. SEO companies in India offer a variety of services designed to enhance your website's visibility and performance. Here are some of the key services. The first is keyword research, identifying relevant keywords to target for better search engine rankings. Then comes on-page optimization, improving elements like titles, meta descriptions and content for better relevance. Then comes off-page optimization. It involves building backlinks and improving domain authority to boost search engine rankings. Then comes the part of technical SEO, enhancing website structure, speed and crawlability to ensure optimal search engine indexing. Then comes the part of content creation, developing engaging and SEO friendly content to attract and retain visitors. Then comes local SEO, optimizing for local search results to attract customers in specific geographic areas. And most importantly, analytics and reporting, tracking performance metrics and providing insights to guide SEO strategies. Another service could be SEO audits, assessing websites' health and identifying areas for improvement. Now let's talk about the different SEO packages. Our local SEO pricing structure starts at USD 199 a month and can go up to USD 399 a month depending upon the milestones agreed upon, such as the number of pages, backlinks, Google business profile creation and so on, to help your business flourish. E-commerce SEO services start at USD 249 a month The final cost, which can range up to USD 499 a month, is decided by elements such as the amount of pages, items and online content, among others. We customize our approach to ensure your company's maximum growth. Softtrix Global SEO service begins at USD 399 a month, with the final cost rising up to USD 99 a month, depending on factors such as the number of pages to be optimized, backlinks to be created, Google Business Profile setup and promotion, and overall website growth. This customized method offers excellent global awareness for your company. Now let's talk about how to choose the right SEO company in India. Choosing the right SEO company is crucial for your success. Here are some tips to help you make the right choice. The first one is experience and expertise. Look for companies with a proven track record and expertise in your particular niche or industry. Client testimonials and reviews. Check reviews and testimonials from past clients to gauge their reputation. Transparent pricing. Ensure they offer clear and transparent pricing without any hidden costs. Customized services. Choose a company that offers tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Communication and reporting. Effective communication and regular reporting are essential for tracking progress. If you consider Softtrix for your SEO services, we do offer comprehensive SEO packages tailored for the US, UK and Australian market with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softtrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication and dedicated support, ensuring your or your client's online success and business growth. To conclude, SEO services are essential for any business looking to establish a strong online presence. And with the top SEO services providing companies in India, you can achieve just that. From expertise and experience to cost-effective solutions, they offer a range of benefits that can help your business grow. So, do consider SEO services to a company in India and see the results for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.